Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can actually create your Finelo account. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to visit the Finelo website, or you can also download the application from Play Store or App Store. Okay, so for example, this one, and after that, you will be redirected to this section. Now, to create an account, you just have to tap on the Get Started option. Okay, and then after that you just have to answer these questions. Okay, so let me just answer this. That's right. Okay, and then tap on next step. So you just have to finish all of the steps right here. Okay, then tap on next step. Tap on continue, and then if you're not familiar with trading, so you can be very honest with that. Okay, so we've got 13 questions for this. So we just have to finish, and then we would be able to create our account. Okay, so let me just select random answers. That's right. Now we just have to wait. Okay, so just to give you an insight, Finelo is a learning platform where you can understand the basic about trading. Okay, so here you have to enter your email to get your personalized trading challenge. Okay, so let me just tap it right here in my email. That's right, and then tap on the continue option at the bottom. Okay, so since we already have our account, so you just have to log in. Then after that, you would be able to see here now your dashboard where you can explore the Finelo application. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.